50 up from 250 to 300 or so.
Well, here's my question.
Samuel Joe Wurzelbacher, who was thrust into the political spotlight as Joe the Plumber after questioning Barack Obama about his economic policies during the 2008 presidential campaign, and who later forayed into politics himself, has died, his son said Monday. He was 49. His oldest son, Joey Wurzelbacher, said his father died Sunday in Wisconsin after a long illness. His family announced this year on an online fundraising site that he had pancreatic cancer. The only thing I have to say is that he was a true patriot. Joey Wurzelbacher, whose father had the middle name Joseph and went by Joe, said in a telephone interview. His big thing is that everyone come to God. That's what he taught me, and that's a message I hope is heard by a lot of people. He went from toiling as a plumber in suburban Toledo, Ohio, to life as a media sensation when he asked Obama about his tax plan during a campaign stop. Their exchange and Obama's response that he wanted to spread the wealth around aired often on cable news. Days later, Obama's Republican opponent, U.S. Senator John McCain, repeatedly cited Joe the Plumber in a presidential debate. Wurzelbacher went on to campaign with McCain and his running mate, Alaska Governor Sarah Palin, but he later criticized McCain in his book and said he did not want him as the GOP presidential nominee. His sudden fame turned him into a sought-after voice for many anti-establishment conservatives, and he traveled the country speaking at Tea Party rallies and conservative gatherings. He also wrote a book and worked with a veterans organization that provided outdoor programs for wounded soldiers.